Hi guys, this video is about to finding the age. Here we can see that these are name and with respect to date of birth. So I have write a formula like equal and type date diff bracket and select this cell comma and write to day and then bracket and then again bracket close comma and write y like this and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that they are calculate the age. So I have apply this formula to all. So I have double click here. Here we can see that this formula is applied to all cells. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.